We are pleased to show you the 2013 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated rear seats, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.